Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Synthesia for AI presenter video creation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Synthesia website in your web browser. On the home page, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Once everything is filled out, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Synthesia. Open the email and click the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the Synthesia website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Explore the available subscription plans listed on the pricing page. Choose a plan that best suits your video creation needs. You will be taken to a payment page. Enter your payment information, ensuring all details are accurate. After filling out the payment information, click on the Complete Purchase button. Once your payment is processed, you will receive confirmation of your subscription. You can now access the Synthesia dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the platform and its features. Start creating your AI presenter videos with the tools provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.